Hi friends, in the last two videos we were discussing about number formatting and date formatting. Today we are going to learn about sorting. Sorting is very important in data analysis. Normally we sort in ascending order or descending order, but we are going to learn today a new technique, that is we can sort in accordance with a custom list. A custom list can be prepared, and we can sort according to that. Now another thing is we can get the sorted list in another worksheet or in another cell nearby the original list without affecting the original list. That we can use sort function. So we will discuss about sort function also today's video. Here is a sample list for sorting students name with language. Very important thing to be noted that before sorting the data should be selected completely without leaving any column or rows, because it will there will be error in the data after sorting. So we selected the data, then go to the data tab, then click on sort. Okay, here add level, delete level, copy level, and some options are there. We'll come to that. Then here we have my data headers. So since we have data with a heading, we tick it here. Then we can have admission number, name, language, what is on the heading, it's shown here. Suppose it is unticked, then we will show column B, column C, that is column heading will be shown. So we have to tick it and select the name, and the cell value is already selected. Sort on this value, then A to Z, that is alphabetic order, in the ascending order, descending order, custom list. We will discuss all the three. Okay, ascending order descending order so we want the student's name in the ascending order usually, so click OK. So now the names are sorted alphabetically without sorting the language. So language is mixed up. So suppose we want sort the language and its student should be sorted next, then what we'll do? So control Z, then click on sort. So here we select the first language, then A to Z alphabetic order, that is Arabic first, Malayalam second, then Sanskrit, Urdu. This will be the order. So then you have to click on the add level. Suppose you added mistakenly a level, you can delete it. Okay, then add level, you select the name, then admission of name, you have to select the name, then A to Z, that is in the ascending order of language first, then ascending order of name second. Click OK. So now Arabic comes first, because Arabic is the first one in the alphabetic order of the language. Suppose we want in a different order, that is Malayalam first, then Sanskrit, then Arabic, then Urdu, and so on. So what we do? So we have option. So what we do? Select it's very important to select the entire data and click on sort. Then again we first select the language. Then in the language, instead of ascending order, we click on the custom list. Then a window opens. Here we have set a custom list with Malayalam, Sanskrit, Arabic, Urdu. How to add into custom list and how we can have a custom list, what we have to do is well explained in the series lesson number 6. You please go to lesson number 6 and learn how to add in a custom list. Because it is time consuming, so we are not explaining it here. We have a list and we selected the list in this order we want to be sorted. We can have high, low, medium. When you sort the temperature, we can have another custom list by adding a new custom list to here. So please go and watch lesson 6. So okay, just click OK. Now we selected this custom list here. Then again we have to add a level, then we select the name, then in the ascending order you can click OK. So now what happens? First Malayalam students are selected and they are sorted in the alphabetic order, ascending order, then Sanskrit students, then Arabic, then Urdu. Normally all sorts only in the alphabetic order. Many do not know that we can select in our own list, that is custom list. In this way we can have different order. So more language, we can add languages to the custom list and sort in that order. Another data to sort. So first of all we select the data and go to sort in data tab, click here, then row heading selected, then click on the revenue, because suppose we are sorting on the revenue, so in here it will be smallest to largest, then okay. So this is one way of sorting the values, and values it will be smallest to largest, and when the alphabets or text it will be sorted as ascending or descending order. Suppose we can discuss a tip in this sorting, that is suppose we want a row in between each data, that is usually what we do, we click here and insert data, or we select or control plus, then select another row and control plus. In this way usually we insert rows. Then what we do, there is an easy way. Suppose if it is hundreds of data, it is very time consuming and difficult. So click on this and insert a column. So what to do, select the column and control plus, then a row column is inserted. Just to give a heading, we can after sorting we can delete it. So we give one, then drag it, then here fill series, we discussed the fill series in the previous lesson, lesson 6. Click on the fill series. Now it is up to 15. So we can give a border here by clicking here, we can have border. Then we just copy it, control C, then copy. So we can select the entire column and have a border. So select it, draw the border. No, now we extended the data. Now select the data. So we're going to insert these lines in it. Select the data, then go to the data tab, click on sort, then select sort by numbers, smallest to largest. Click OK. So now what happens? First one will be sorted, then two, one with data, one without data we created. Now we can just delete this row by control minus. Okay, or clicking here. Either you can use control minus, or you can delete from the drop down menu. So now we have data in between a blank row is inserted. This is a tip, remember it. Another tip we can discuss here, that is, suppose we want a column to be inserted in between these data. That is, normally we click here and insert, and again click here, insert. This is not the proper way. We can have an easy method using sorting tips. So similarly, we just select here and insert a row, then give 1, 2, 3, 4, and also copy this and paste here, and we can draw line if needed, border line we can draw. Then select it, select the data, then go to data tab, click sort. Then here normally we sort by column. Now we are going to sort by row. That is, here there is an option, click, an option window comes, a dialog box. You can sort case sensitive, that is capital and small letter can be differentiated by selecting this, and here sort top to bottom, that is column wise, top to bottom. Now yes, column wise we sort. Then we select sort left to right, that is from left to right, that is row wise. So just click OK. Now but this is changed to row. So what we can select row 1. When you select row 1, smallest to largest, that is 1, then another one here, then 2, 3, and in that order. You can select row 2, that is in row 2 the order is salesman, sales zone, country, and revenue. It will be sorted A to Z. That is, when it is a text, it shows order is A to Z. We have to insert, so we select row 1 and click OK, and columns are inserted. After achieving the required format, or that is column inserted, we can delete the first row. In this way we can easily insert a column between data. Next we can have another tip to rearrange the columns. Suppose we want revenue first, then country second, salesman, sales zone, and in a particular order. That is, first revenue, then second country, then third salesman, then sales zone, fourth column. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in this way. Normally we select the column and we can hold the shift key and bring the mouse pointer to the end of the right side of the column. Then you can click and drag. This is the one method. Similarly, if you want to shift the column here, you can easily drag and put it here. So it is very easy. But if it is a very large database, more columns are there, and there is a chance of making errors. So what we do, we can make use of the sorting techniques here. So that is, we insert a row there. First it is revenue, so we give number 1, then 2 country, then salesman 3, and sales zone 4. So okay, then we select, go to the data tab and click sorting. Sorting is, click on the option, then select sort left to right. here before clicking this, it is OK, column. So when we click OK, this becomes row. So we are going to sort row wise. So then select row 1. We have to sort in row 1, which is 1 first, 2, 3, 4. Okay, click OK. Then first one revenue, then country, then salesman, sales on. So finally we can delete it. So this is the another tip. We can make use of this tip when large database and large number of columns are there. Suppose we want the sorted data in another location, either in the same sheet or in another sheet. So let us see, in another sheet we can have the sorted data without altering or without making any changes to the original data. So we select this and click this plus button for inserting a sheet. Okay, then we copy the heading, then paste here. Okay, increase the column width. Then we type a function, a sort function here, sort. Then we have to select the array. Go to the first the where the data is here. We select the data. Okay, then either we can type here comma sort index. Sort index means 1, 2, 3. 2 is the column. Column number is the index. The second column, the first column we are not selected in the array. Then it is 2. Then comma. Then ascending or descending. 1 for ascending and -1 for descending. And press enter. So data comes here in another worksheet. But here only on in the name it is sorted, not in the language wise. Suppose we want the data here in language wise. So then we can have another sorting method, but it is available only in after 2021 and also Microsoft 365. In these two version or and the after this version it is available. The version previous to this function is not available, only the first one is available. So is equal to sort, then tab, then go to for selecting the array, that is data is selected, then comma, then we give a brace for passing the index. The first one we have to sort by language, that is 3 is the index, third column, then comma, second is second column, that is name. Then if you want more you can add, then close the brace. Then again we have to give 1 for first sorting index, sort order 1, comma, then again 1 for ascending for index 2. So first one is for language in the alphabetic order and second one is for the name. Suppose first one in the ascending and second one in the descending, we have to give -1, and now it is okay. Now press enter. So data is first Arabic is sorted, then Malayalam and so on. So in this way we can have the data in another location, in another sheet or in the same sheet in another cell without affecting the original data. So okay, that's all for today for about the sorting. Sorting is one of the important method of data analysis. Okay, next time we'll come back with another tools, that is filtering. Thank you very much.